So you want to know how similar two directions are. That's where dot product comes in. And to get this node, you just have to click right click and type in dot, and this will appear. So before I explain it further, let's see the demonstration code I prepared for you, which is get actor forward vector. Then I'm normalizing that value, and then I'm getting the get actor location and then subtracting it to enemy's location. For in my case, it is 000 because I don't have an enemy here. And then I'm normalizing that as well, and then I'm putting it into dot. Now what will happen is it will actually tell me whether the enemy is in front of me, behind me, or to the side of me. I know the math looks scary, but the result is just a number between -1 and 1, as you can see on the screen as well. Now if the enemy is in front of you, then it will be above 0.7, and if it's behind you, then the other way around. Well, it is used for stealth vision cone, directional attack, headshot only when looking at the target, or making NPC only react if you are actually in their view. And it is super useful for spawning as well, because you don't want to spawn and despawn actors in front of you, which will break the immersion. So it is super useful node. The math looks scary, I know, but it isn't. It's very simple and very basic. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.